a world lost in the vastness of the Pacific, home to the strangest life imaginable, governed by nature's brutal forces, islands which have transformed our understanding of life on Earth. The Galapagos lies remote, 600 miles off the coast of South America, straddling the equator. There are 13 main islands, sprinkled with more than 100 islets, rocks, and reefs. Each island has its own character. Some are cloaked in forests that conceal life. Others are smoldering giants, rugged and austere. It has been home to pirates, dragons, and Darwin finches, giant tortoises, the HMS Beagle, and Jack's Beanstalk. The Giant Machine is an artificial island nested in the archipelago of Galapagos. The base is 0.6 square miles and sits 700 feet tall. It is an assemblage of 8 cooperating functional zones facilitating the climb of objects onto space. The southern part of the Giant Machine functions as a transportation zone, including 3 docks for cargo ships and an airport with 1,000 feet of runway. This is the interface to the distant lands. When cargo reaches the transportation zone, conveyors shuttle objects internally between the 8 zones. Sorting, storing, inspecting, objects are prepared for the elevator. After final documentation of objects, the capsule will be attached to the climber. The capsule is moving on the conveyor belt. The launching zone is prepared to receive the capsule, while stabilizers restrain the head of the climber. The loading mechanism mounts the capsule. The tail is positioned below the climber for balance during the ascent. The rattling of the mechanisms are heard behind the whining of the wind. The tail curls. The carrier's arm gets attached to the head just after the launching platform rotates and takes its position for takeoff. This is the signal for the ground crew to begin filling the liquid oxygen tank and adjust the magnetic modules on the 221st sector. And we see the ascenders entering the climber through the access hatch. Stabilizers release the capsule slowly. It tenses itself upon the carbon nanotube ribbon and waits for synchronization. Inertial measurement alignment complete. Latitude and longitude of Launch Pad 39A at Space Elevator Base Station has been confirmed. Start Orbiteer Aero Surface Profile Test, followed by Main Engine Gimbal Profile Test. Climber Launch Sequencer is go for auto sequence start. Activate Launch Pad Sound Suppression System. Activate Main Engine Hydrogen Burn-Off System. Main Engine Start. 3, 2, 1, ascend. Between dusty clouds, we see a point on a line that seems to barely move. Undesirable objects, instead of being buried, are sent to the sky. Within 3 hours, the climber passes the ionosphere and reaches a final velocity of 300 miles per hour. It reaches its celestial destination in 4 days. The new space station is the castle at the top of the beanstalk. The giant has long since left. He has left all his treasure. Rules are different up here in the castle. Things are allowed that are not below. Experiments can be conducted. Thoughts can be entertained. To be giants ourselves, the ascenders climb the beanstalk. No longer merely human, the ascenders search for what might come after.